This is the concluding lesson on tenses. We have seen three tenses: present, past, and future. And within each tense, we had the discussion on indefinite tense, continuous tense, perfect tense, and perfect continuous tense. And in each case, we had four different types of sentences: simple, negative sentences, interrogative sentences, and negative and interrogative. Then we dealt with uh, at least six types of pronouns like I, we, you, he, she, name, and they. So we started with simple sentences like I go to school, we go to school, you go to school, and so on. Then we continued with negative, negative and interrogative, and negative and interrogative. This is called vertical format. Now I'm going to suggest you to do the similar practice but on the horizontal format. As you see in this table, we have simple sentences, negative, interrogative, and interrogative in each row, whereas each column is representing the case out of four, like indefinite, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. So you start with this: I go to school, मैं स्कूल जाता हूँ. Then instead of going down, go to continuous. The same format, simple sentence: I am going to school. Then I have gone to school in perfect tense. Then I have been going to school for 2 years in perfect continuous. So complete simple sentences in all four cases. Then continue with the negative. I do not go to school, मैं स्कूल नहीं जाता हूँ. I am not going to school, मैं स्कूल नहीं जा रहा हूँ. I have not gone to school, मैं स्कूल नहीं जा चुका हूँ. And I have not been going to school for 2 years, मैं 2 सालों से स्कूल नहीं जाता रहा हूँ. Likewise with interrogative sentences and negative and interrogative sentences. And if you want, you can continue simple sentences to the past. After completing these four cases in present, then you can continue with the past tense. For example, when you finish I have been going to school for 2 years, मैं 2 सालों से स्कूल जाता रहा हूँ, then you move to the past tense. Then I went to school, past indefinite, then past continuous, then past perfect continuous. So I went to school, मैं स्कूल गया था या मैं स्कूल जाता था. I was going to school, मैं स्कूल जा रहा था. I had gone to school, मैं स्कूल जा चुका था या मैं स्कूल चला गया था. I had been going to school for 2 years, मैं 2 सालों से स्कूल जा रहा था. And then continue the simple sentence in future. I shall go to school, मैं स्कूल जाऊंगा. I shall be going to school, मैं स्कूल जा रहा हूँगा. I shall have gone to school, मैं स्कूल जा चुका हूँगा. I shall have been going to school for 2 years, मैं 2 सालों से स्कूल जाता रहा हूँगा. And then you start with the negative sentence and complete present, past and future, interrogative sentences, and so on. This will help to understand the structure from different angle, and it will help you to have better control in your conversation. Now, if you start with one verb, like as we did with the go to school, means school jana, school jana. See how many sentences you have made with one verb. There are three tenses. In each tense we had four cases, like indefinite, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. And here in three tenses we have present, past and future. And in each case we are making the sentences using at least six pronouns: I, we, you, he or she, and then they. Then with each pronoun we have four types of sentences: simple, negative, interrogative, negative, and interrogative. And if we multiply, this is equal to 288 sentences, or approximately we can say 300, because we also made sentences with name here in pronoun. So with one verb we have almost 300 sentences. And if you continue this practice with few verbs, you will feel better control and more confident when you will be talking to someone. I can give you a few. For example, read book, किताब, पढ़ना, पढ़ना, पढ़ना. So I read book, मैं किताब पढ़ता हूँ. I do not read book, मैं किताब नहीं पढ़ता हूँ. Do I read book, क्या मैं किताब पढ़ता हूँ. And do I not read book, क्या मैं किताब नहीं पढ़ता हूँ. And for past, I read book, मैंने किताब पढ़ी. I did not read book, मैंने किताब नहीं पढ़ी. Did I read book, क्या मैंने किताब पढ़ी. Did I not read book, क्या मैंने किताब नहीं पढ़ी. For future, I shall read book, मैं किताब पढ़ूंगा. I shall not read book, मैं किताब नहीं पढ़ूंगा. Shall I read book, क्या मैं किताब पढ़ूंगा. Shall I not read book, क्या मैं किताब नहीं पढ़ूंगा. Similarly, continue with we, you, he, she, it, and so on. Another verb, let's say play football, or you can change the game like cricket. I play football or I play cricket. Play mean khelna, and football, fe and te, football, bialabalam, sakin, football. Play football, put football, khelna. खेलना, काफ, हे, ये अलिफ या लाम, नून अलिफ लाम. Football, खेलना, to play football. To watch a movie. And in Urdu, watch mean देखना, देखना. And movie, we call it film. Film देखना. To cook, cook mean पकाना, पकाना. Let's say food, खाना पकाना. Khana mean like lunch, dinner. To cook food or to prepare lunch or dinner. Khana pakana. To talk to friends. Friends mean dost, and because it's friends, plural, we'll say doston. We'll say doston. Doston. दाल वाव सीन ते दोस्तों दोस्तों से two friends दोस्तों से and for talk we have बात talk mean बात करना दोस्तों से बात करना it is used in both singular and plural sense बात करना और बातें करना sometime you might find people may use it as बातें करना मैं दोस्तों से I'm chatting with friends मैं दोस्तों से बातें कर रहा हूँ या कर रही हूँ तो दोस्तों से बात करना और दोस्तों से बातें करना both are acceptable so you can practice these sentences or you may find any other verb you can practice with that. Now that's all in this lesson. In next lesson I am going to explain some conventional sentences or formats in Urdu language that will give you better understanding of the language. Thank you very much.